Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Chapt. This edition of Chapt is special for Rosh Hashanah. Many of us have a minhag, a custom, to have honey cake on Rosh Hashanah to remind us about having a happy and healthy, sweet new year. The honey cake is for the sweet, the cake part is of course for the healthy. Okay, so we're going to get started on this really easy and fun recipe which you can all do at home. We're going to send the instructions and ingredients home in an email so you can do it with a parent in your own kitchen. Let's start. First, we're going to crack 3 eggs that we're going to check. Next goes the healthy part, the sugar. We need 1.5 cups of sugar. So here's my cup. Half cup is fine. That's what it is. So we added a cup of oil slowly into the mixer, so now we've got eggs and sugar and oil beautifully mixed together. Now we're going to get the rest of the ingredients into the mixing bowl and make a super yummy cake. Our ingredients consist of cloves, baking soda, flour, and of course honey. And then my favorite, we're going to add a cup of coffee. A little bit of a waste, I guess the cake will enjoy it, otherwise I would happily drink it. Alright, let's get these all mixed together in our bowl. So now I've got my pan, it's a 9 by 13. I have my pan. I'm going to spray so it doesn't stick. Now we're going to put this in the oven on 350 for 40 minutes. And on the other side, we'll have a beautiful and yummy honey cake. Speaking of honey cake and sweet and happy New Year's, think about the sound of the shofar. Have you ever wondered where a shofar comes from? While this is baking, let's find out where the shofar comes from. We're here walking down the streets of Yafo to go visit one of the largest shofar factories in the world. Let's take a tour about how a shofar is made. First, the shofar, the horn, needs to be hollowed out, like this, so that it's usable. To create its shape, it is heated until it is bendable, and then it is tightened into place until it maintains and holds the beautiful shape that we are trying to create. To keep the shape, it is run under cold water, so it's able to stay the way that it's made. Since mitzvot are supposed to be beautiful, it is sanded down, shaven, and then polished to look beautiful, special for the mitzvah of hearing the sound of the shofar. Finally, the shofar is checked to make sure that it is kosher and usable for the mitzvah of Tkiyat Shofar. Wow, it smells so good. Look how beautiful this cake is. My friends, have a wonderful, wonderful Rosh Hashanah. Shana Tova. It should be a beautiful, sweet, happy, and healthy new year for everybody. Shana Tova.